Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope you all are doing good and in best of the health. And I hope you all are resonating the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified. Now this is a beautiful deck and I have used it very rarely, so I thought this week I shall bring readings for a few times with this cards. So let's see what is. There's no pick a card, it's just a general reading which I'm taking. The first card, the Yamas. I will combine the reading. The second card is the Manipura. These are one of the most amazing combinations in card reading. Now you might wonder why it is so special. I will tell you, because this combines with yoga, and we all know Manipura is our chakra, the solar plexus chakra basically. So now when these cards come, we need to understand that we have to empower ourselves. So today is the day where you will empower yourselves. You will not accept things which no longer belong to you, and you will decide on what you need to do in your life. Also, as a small assignment, look at this rum. Okay, you will look at this through your third eye, and if there is any question which you need the answer for, you will just chant this rum 21 times, intending that you're getting the answer for your question by the end of the day, and you are getting a proper solution, and I'm sure some proper solution will come for you. Now coming to the card of Yamas. Yamas is basically to be kind, to be generous, but at the same time you need to honor yourself. So today is more on honoring yourself, honoring the day, doing the right thing the right way. But overall, if you see, I feel that the day will be beautiful, though emotional up and downs are possible. But I somewhere feel that the day is going to be amazing, and you're going to be blessed the way you want. Today's color will be yellow, because solar plexus is what is the card that is come. Maybe for some of you, I feel that the solar plexus has some sort of an unwanted energy. So cleanse on your solar plexus area. If you know Reiki, do Reiki on your solar plexus area. If you know any other form of healing, then do that form of healing on the solar plexus area. If you don't know any form of healing, have something in yellow. Like for example, you can eat some yellow banana, or you can also wear yellow color today, as I said, intending that the solar plexus is getting cleansed. You can have a bath with chamomile oil, a little chamomile oil in the water, and I've already said you need to chant this mantra 21 times for the answers you want. And overall, if possible, sit sometime in the ground, somewhere where your spinal cord can touch the ground, and you can work on your energies in a way that you're from the mother earth, the energy is entering through your spinal cord and energizing your whole body. Overall, as I said, a day of self empowerment. So empower yourself and take the life as blessing, and stay focused on your work, and everything will fall in place. Thank you.